Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. So as we know guys, here we are covering visuals under this playlist. So in the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about this Power Automate visual. And that was the last visual of this visualization pane. I hope you guys are definitely enjoying this visualization series. So guys, visuals are not ends here. This is just a beginning because we have many more visuals guys which we need to cover here under this playlist. And these visuals are not the part of this visualization pane. We guys can also import some other visuals from the marketplace, and these visuals are known as custom visuals in Power BI. So in the simple words guys, custom visuals are those visuals which are not the part of visualization pane, and we can import these visuals from the marketplace, and there are hundreds of visuals guys which are available in the market, just like an application which you guys using in your phones, like in Play Store and App Store. So you guys can select any of the visual from the marketplace. And if you guys want to import that any of the visual, so here you should have Pro license. Without licensing guys, you guys cannot use custom visuals. So now in today's tutorial guys, we will resume this series with custom visuals. And here under this series guys, we will talk about many more custom visuals, which makes your report more beautiful and attractive. And the last thing guys, if you don't have the license guys, so you don't need to worry about it. You guys can create dummy account and take advantage of this licensing till next 60 days. So I have already uploaded this video regarding this dummy account creation, which is the last video of this Power BI full course playlist. So the video number is 51st tutorial. So I will share link of this video here under this description box. You guys can watch it later, that how to create dummy account for using Power BI licensing and custom visuals. And now let's go back to the practical page. So here you guys can see these three dots. And once you click on these three dots guys, we guys can see here is the option of get more visual. So you need to click this option from here. And it will take few seconds guys to get this page upload. And here we guys can see the market just like a Play Store, where we guys can see list of visuals are here just like an applications. So here we have Zebra BI cards, Sunburst Power BI, drill down combo and so on. And if you click here on this filter by guys, so here we guys can see we have some predefined categories. So you guys can select any of the category according to your requirement. Let's suppose I want to see this KPI visuals. So just click here on this KPI category. And now here we guys can see we have list of visuals related to the KPI like tachometer, power KPI metrics and so on. And now let's go back and clear the filter from here. And if I talk about the search bar guys, so you guys can search any of the visuals according to your requirement. So let's suppose guys, this time I'm searching card visual. So here we guys can see we have a list of custom visuals of card. So here we guys can see we have list of custom card visuals, which you guys can add into your visualization pane. So in this way guys, we guys can search any of the custom visual. So be ready guys to learn many new visuals here in Power BI. And now in today's tutorial guys, I will introduce the new visual in front of you, which name is scroller. So I will simply go here under the search bar and search my scroller visual. I know guys, some of you maybe have definitely heard about this scroller visual and some of them maybe used it. But here under this series guys, we will cover every visual from scratch. So let's learn how to import any custom visuals in Power BI. So you simply need to click here on this scroller visual. And here we guys can see the option of add. So just click here on this add button guys. And now we guys can see this visual is successfully imported into this visualization pane. Here is the visual guys. And now let me click OK. And now if you guys want to set this visual just next to this visualization pane, so you simply do right click here. And here you will guys to see the option of pin to visualization pane. Just click this option. So see guys, this visual is shifted under this visualization pane. And now guys, if you guys want to unpin this visual again, just do right click here and click this unpin this visual and click OK. So before start this class guys, let me give you brief knowledge about this scroller visual. So guys, with the help of this scroller visual, you guys can visualize the data as an animated scrolling text. Also you can control the speed, size, status, indication, coloring, etc. You guys can scroll any custom message just like a news headline, report changes update and so on. And now guys, let me click here on this visual and make it resize. And now let's talk about the parameter of this visual. So the first parameter is category, measure absolute, and the third one is measure deviation. So here under this category parameter guys, you guys can take any of the category from your table. So firstly guys, look at the table. So just go here in this table view, and here we guys can see we have 3 columns here in our table like product, sales and profit and loss. And now let's go back to this report view. And let me expand this table guys. So here under this category guys, I will take this product column. So simply select this product column and drop here under this category parameter. And see guys, the moment I drop this sales column here, then we guys can see animated scroller with product and its sales. Just like a news headline which we guys generally see in news channels. And now let me place this visual here in bottom. So just click here and set it here in bottom. And you guys can make it resize according to your requirement. And now let's talk about the third parameter of this scroller visual, which name is measure deviation. So again you guys can take any measurable value here under this measure deviation. So I have this profit and loss column guys. So I will simply select this column and drop here under this measure deviation. And now we guys can see sales along with its profit and loss. And now we guys can clearly see with its product, sales and its profit and loss. So this green icon returning the profit and this red icon returning the negative values. And these two icons guys are clearly returning, this green icon returning the profit and the red icon returning the loss, which are negative values. So in this way guys, you guys can use this scroller custom visual to display our figures with animations. And now let's talk about some formatting feature of this scroller visual. So let me simply click here on this formatting pane and let's expand this scroller. And here we guys can see we have list of formatting feature. So we will cover one by one. So let's start with this auto size font. So if you turn on this toggle button guys, so here we guys can see our text size has increased. And now let me turn it off. And the next formatting feature is status indicator. So this green icon and red icon guys are called status indicator. If you guys turn it off from here, so see guys, here is no status indicator icon here under this scroller visual. And now let me turn it on again. And the next formatting feature is status indicator coloring. So with the help of this status indicator coloring guys, it returning positive or negative deviation value. It will change the color according to the indicator. So if I guys turn it off from here, so see guys, there is no coloring between red and green. It display all the icon in white color. So it define standard deviation. So this option helps to make coloring negative and positive value in green and red color. So let me turn it on again. And the next formatting feature is text coloring. So guys, this feature is also helpful to change the color of text based thing. Either it could be positive or negative deviation value. So now let me turn it on. And here you guys can see the changes. Our values are here under the green and the red color. So now let me turn it off. And from here guys, you guys can increase or decrease the size of your text. So let's say, let me increase the size here. So I'll increase the size, let's say 30. So see guys, our text size has increased. And from here guys, you guys can also increase or decrease your scroller speed. So if you increase the number from here, so let's say I'll take 3. And now you guys can see our scroller speed has increased. So if you guys want to reduce your speed, so you guys can take small number. So I'm taking 1 here. So see guys, now scroller speed has reduced. So in this way guys, you guys can use this formatting feature. And now let me scroll it down. So here we have one more feature which name is custom text. So without adding any parameter guys, you guys can add any custom text here under this scroller visual. So let's take a random example guys. So I will write one line here. This is a scroller visual. So see guys, the same line is returning here under this scroller visual. So you guys can display any of the thing here under this custom text. And with the help of this color formatting feature guys, you guys can change the text color as well as background color. So firstly let me change the text color. Let's say red. So see guys, the color has changed. And from here guys, you guys can also change the background color. So I am taking this, let's say orange. And the last formatting feature is update interval. So if you guys want to increase or decrease the frequency of the time so that the scroller data is updated with the help of this feature. So I hope guys you have definitely enjoyed this tutorial and definitely learned something new about this scroller visual. And we will learn many more custom visuals guys here under this playlist, and we will cover most of the custom visuals in detail. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And if you guys click here on this playlist button, so here we guys can see we have multiple playlists are here. So with the help of this DAX expression playlist guys, you guys can learn DAX functions from scratch, where I have tried to cover each and every DAX functions in detail. And also guys, we have one more playlist which name is Power BI Updates, where you guys will get to see the latest updates about Power BI. So you guys don't require to go anywhere to see latest updates about Power BI. And with the help of this visualization playlist guys, I am also trying to cover each and every visuals in detail, including some custom visuals. And those who are visit first time on this channel, kindly hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. So stay connected with us for such kind of detailed learning. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I'm keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and trainings. But if you still think guys you required only paid training sessions, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day 1 class guys, I prepare for you interview rounds with some scenario based stuff which is asked by an interviewer. So for paid training support or any other queries guys, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.